How we doing, folks? James Farr here again, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this absolutely stunning 202 BMW 2 Series M2 Competition. It comes in the Long Beach blue metallic finish. Let's take a quick look around her. It has the BMW adaptive LED headlights, the BMW kidney grille with the M2 badging, the angry M2 front bumper with front parking sensors. Come around to the side, you have the BMW diamond cut 20-inch alloys on run flat tires with the M2 badging and the blue M2 brake pads. The M2 badging on the side, privacy glass in the rear, the black trim alongside the windows. Come around to the back, you have the BMW M2 Competition badge, the dual twin exhausts, the rear spoiler, the shark fin antenna on top, and the automatic trunk. This is an absolutely stunning car that will definitely turn some heads in that Long Beach blue metallic finish. Now let's take a quick look at the interior. Now, folks, that we're inside, you can see the multifunctional M2 sports steering wheel with the red and blue stitch. This car is fitted with a sports mode, sports plus mode, and an efficiency mode. Also on board is the upgraded sound system, the automatic lights, fully electric windows, a heated steering wheel, the BMW iDrive system on board, the manual transmission, which is very rare, Bluetooth connectivity. The interior comes in a black Dakota leather with lumbar support. As you can see, you also had the blue M2 blue stitch. You have the navigation professional system, the real-time traffic information system, the keyless push button start ignition, heated seats, extended storage, the BMW Icon adaptive LED headlights, cruise control with brake function, the rear view mirror auto dimming, the BMW emergency call, the extended interior light package, air conditioning, high beam assist, and many other extras. Now, that was just a quick look around this 202 BMW 2 Series M2 Competition. A truly stunning car. If you have any questions about this car or any other car in our fleet, please feel free to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it.